I am Dr. ATHEENAPANDIan. I am going to talk something about the science and technology. See, under the biomedical umbrella, we are keep on studying about the equipments. But the equipment is not only our role. There are so many other domains that relating to the science and technology. Okay, there are so many engineering. You can able to call for bioengineering, genetic engineering, molecular biology, and then tissue engineering. All these kind of the things that is coming under the biomedical or coming under the healthcare umbrella. The engineering concepts, principles, and all the other rules need to be adopted over in that particular science and technology. So, as a biomedical engineer, the competition is much heavier outside by the way of getting a job, by the way of starting a company in the engineering and technology. But the science and technology is concerned, the people, those who are giving more willingness to go over science and technology is not there in India. So as a biomedical engineer, why not you can able to think about the science and the technology? Not only for the job perspective, for the research. Because more number of research required in the science and technology. Rather, we are talking about the engineering and technology, artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, blah blah. There are so many things out there. Virtual reality, augmented reality, all that thing. What I am talking about is science and technology. As a biomedical engineer, we must be know about our human body. Because inside our human body, full of science. We need to study about that particular science, and using the technology, we are supposed to clear some of the disorders, clear some of the diseases. This is actually the must required thing. All the engineering and technology domains are not helpful for saving the life of the people. But science and technology in particularly help a lot of people to recover from the diseases and disorders. For example, if you are strong in engineering concepts and engineering principles, once you are well known about the science that is present inside the human body, there are full of science, ophthalmology, you can hearing all the sensory organs, your heart, your lungs, and all these things follow some of the science principle. In deeply, you can talking about the cell microbial activities like anabolism, catabolism, metabolic activities. All these things are cell biology that is full of science. Once the particular science, natural science requires the external support, during the time the technology requires. As we can talking about the tissue engineering, stem cell therapy, chemotherapy, nanorobots. Okay, cell biology, then we can go for molecular biology, genetic engineering. All these concepts, once the particular science, the natural science requires the external technology, all the domain which is coming under the healthcare is helpful to recover or repair or remove the particular disorders or disease. This is what the more importance we need to know about the science and technologies. So as a biomedical engineer, try to do some project in the science and technology. Try to do some research paper in science and technology, and that will help you for move into the future in a better way, by the way of job perspective or the way of to be an entrepreneur or to be a better researcher in the field of science and technology. Because now the engineering technologies keep on booming. Whichever the things which is move very fastly, immediately reach the destination or it may cause serious problems. But in the human is concerned, the science is there in the human body. The technology, the required for removing or treating the disorders inside the human body can able to apply only by means of science and technology, not in engineering and technology. So that is what I am saying. It is very easy for you to come forward to prove yourself in the future in the health market. Better do science and technology project better do your PG, that is post graduation. If you want to willing to do that, do some science and technology related topic, right? I already told you, PC engineering, genetic engineering, molecular biology, all these kind of concepts. That will help you for proven yourself to be a better researcher in science and technology. At the same time, it saves many lives of people once you are introduce any of the new concepts for the science. Thank you very much.